In problem 3, part B, we have John investing $40,000 today for 4 years, and we've been asked to calculate what the accumulated value would be at the end of 4 years if John earns 8% per annum interest. So if we draw a diagram, what we have is John investing $40,000 today, and we've been asked how much he'll have in 4 years' time if he earns 8% per annum interest. Now, the interest rate is a compound rate of interest, and we've been asked to calculate the accumulated value, so we would use S equals P outside of 1 plus I to the n to calculate the accumulated value. P is the $40,000 investment. I, we said, was 8% per annum, and N is 4 years. So we're matching the interest rate, which is yearly, to the time period, which is yearly. And if we put that into the formula, we get 40,000 outside of 108 to the power of 4. And that gives us a value of $54,419.56. So if John invests $40,000 today and earns 8% per annum interest each year compound, he'll have $54,419.56 in his account after 4 years.